Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. I have to say I love it here. I can already tell it's up one of those spots whenever I come to Negril. It might be a place that I frequent a lot. Yeah, Judah's in the background playing some video games and she's losing. I can tell you, sore loser. Like, why don't you...
You too loud. You in my business? Don't do that.
Don't do that. Yeah, it's just beautiful here. I can see the sunset coming off of the water. Yeah, I mean, it could be a little bit bothersome the way it hits the water. I mean, it's really bright. But apart from that, it's just gorgeous. I think here it has a very romantic setting. Of course, it's a great place to have a wedding if you're ever thinking of doing something like that. And yeah, the closest I've ever come to a place like this was, what the place did we go again, name? Remember in Portland? Cee Cliff, being on the cliff edge was the closest thing. But anyway, in today's video we're gonna have some lunch. It's lunchtime. I'm really hungry, so we're gonna have some lunch, and I'll tell you guys how good the lunch is. I ordered a fish sandwich, and Judah got a BLT. Yeah, very American of her. So she got a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. All right, let's do it. So fun fact guys, we have some crazy glue here. I know most persons don't know this. I never knew this either. Crazy glue, there's a thing that they call crazy, and there's glue. So of course you know the glue part. I know Judah's about to roast me just because I'm trying to inform you guys on this, whatever.
That's not why.
Oh, never mind. So of course this is the glue, alright? But if you look down in the cap here, down on the cap there's something there that you actually pull out, and when you pull it out and you scrape it, it's like a powder substance, and that is actually the crazy. It makes the glue like really, really strong. This by itself is perfectly fine. Anyway, that's the end of our DIY. Today's what?
D what?
DIY, do it yourself.
No, I thought you said something different. Today's Friday.
DIY Friday. Catch you guys in the next upload.
Alright then, bro.
Yo, enough respect, yo.
Good morning. Alright, check this.
Wait, can I make fries?
Yeah.
That's the fish sandwich, yeah?
Yeah.
Mad.
That cheese.
Thank you.
BLT thing.
Yeah.
Mad as well.
Oh, let's not pick up carrot.
Alright, so we're gonna try it. Oh yeah, that's mine over there. So we're gonna try the food. I am... You guys know me, I'm very critical of food, so I'm gonna be very honest with it. And Judah currently right now is watching some Cypress Pepper. Sings him up. Alright, so anyway, we're gonna get into this. So this sandwich is a fish sandwich with cocoa bread, lettuce, and fries. In Jamaica, places like Tasty's, Patty's, I do enjoy their sandwiches. The cocoa bread for me is good. These guys said that the cocoa bread should be really good. So, first of all, let's start with the fries. Really? Yeah. Bruh. The mayo thing? Alright, so they definitely do make the fries the conventional hotel way, which is very bland because they don't know who likes salt or not, so you have the option of doing that thing. Before I thought the fries sucked, but it's not so bad.
Yeah, with the sauce.
With the sauce, it's not so bad. Basic generic fries. Nothing to go hoo-ha or about that. Everything came up to about 30 bucks. So this what we have right now is about $30 US. My mayo thing is interesting.
There's a direct mayo on this one, you said.
The same thing, both in the jerk mayo. Okay. Not too bad. Alright, so I'm gonna try this sandwich thing here. Alright, so I think overall, as I said, for me, the gold standard in Jamaica for cocoa bread fish sandwich is Tasty's. Does this beat it? No, it doesn't. What I do like about this though is that the fish you can know it's like it's not no fast food chain type of fish. So I appreciate that. That was the best part about it. The jerk seasoning, sauce and thing had a little vibe to it. I really appreciate that it was different. It's not something I've ever had before. So I give that a good look. For 30 bucks, no, not really. Because I could get a tasty sandwich for about $5 with fries and everything, and the fries is very similar to those fries, and it tastes, yeah, it has a buzz to it. What do you think in general? Figures?
Yeah.
Just like a sandwich, right? Okay. So far, not really impressed with the food, but it's good enough. Good enough for you to like eat and enjoy yourself and whatever. You is a good subscriber. Watching the ads? Look at yourself.
Oh, thanks.
What's your thoughts on that? So Judah currently now is watching a YouTube video right now, and Sing Zimmer and Quiet Perry. And the question was about if a woman can propose to a man. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but what do you guys think? What would you say?
Personally, see him. Wow. Don't even gotta say, guys.
So no.
I just feel like certain things should just be left up to the man to do. Yeah.
Okay, so that's your personal preference. What about if you see like one of your friends or some random lady just decides to do that? Would you be all upset about it or just be like, yo, do your thing?
I'm a business. I'm on my life.
Okay.
I mind the business that pays me. Whatever she wants to do over there with her relationship, that's her.
Facts.
That's her business. I could care less. Like I'm literally in my own world. Like, yeah.
Makes sense. For me personally, it's here and right there. It's really here and right there. I think if a woman did propose to me, I'd kind of feel awkward. Yeah, for me, it'd feel awkward. To be quite honest, I think I should be the one doing it. But people who decide to do that on their own, it's cool. One of those things. All right, so we were fortunate enough to. Yeah, all right. Coronavirus. We were fortunate enough to get a sunset room, which is really cool. So we're catching a sunset right now. Hopefully, I maybe can get like a little video to show you guys how beautiful it is. This I hear is one of the best places to actually catch a sunset because it's like just right out there on the ocean and stuff. Alright, you guys already know I want to send a big shout out to all my patrons, people who consistently support me every single month, and persons who do their Cash App and PayPal donations. Reason why I have to say that is, you know, when I come to places like these and I'm the one spending my own money, it makes me definitely have, I think, an even better review because, you know, it's not a free stay. I mean, if you go to a place and they give you it for free, you kind of feel a little bit obligated to say something nice, but because you know I do get support from you guys from patrons and stuff like that, or even from myself, it gives me a really honest review as to what's happening. As I did say, the food, yeah, I definitely think tomorrow for lunch we are going to eat out, but for dinners, we're going to try dinner tonight, and I'll film that, tell you guys what I think about the food. So we'll definitely have dinner tonight, but yeah, tomorrow we're going to go out and see if we can get some lunch somewhere, maybe some street food or something really nice. Negril is known to have some really good seafood, so let's see if we can shuffle that up for tomorrow. And I'm just here catching the sunset a little bit. Yo, it's really tranquil. There's just so many cool intimate spots that you can go. You can hang off by the cliff, catch the sunset, you can feel the warmth of the sun. Right now I can feel it on my skin. So far as a overall accommodation, based on the looks, how it looks on the internet, stuff like that, I'm definitely giving, I mean, no, it's perfect, so I'll give here like a 9.5 out of 10. That is great. Food just now, yeah, I'd give it a solid 6. It wasn't nothing to die about. So yeah, again, thank you guys for the support. Thank you for always giving me a good vibe, and it's good to be back filming some of these videos for you guys. If you do appreciate videos like these, you want to see me do a lot more vlogs like these, remember to drop a comment, tell me what you want to see, where you want to see me film, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
Baby, don't